Welcome to the video lecture series on chemical process plant design and economics. Myself, Jaimin Pandya, Assistant Professor in Chemical Engineering Department of LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology. So let's continue with the chapter depreciation. In this lecture, we'll talk about the numerical based on sum of your digit method. So let's calculate this numerical. In this numerical, given that the original value of equipment is 10 lakh rupees, the end of useful life of 10 years, its salvage value is 1 lakh rupees. Determine the asset value of the reactor at end of the 5th year using sum of your digit method and have to compare both methods. So in this statement given that there is one equipment which is a reactor which original price is a 10 lakh rupees and after using of 10 years salvage value of that reactor is 1 lakh rupees. Using this data we have to calculate depreciation using sum of your digit method and decline balance method and have to compare both depreciation. So let's start this numerical. So let's calculate the depreciation using sum of the year digit method. So let's first calculate the depreciable cost DC that can be given by V minus Vs is equal to V, which means original cost, which is a 10 lakhs rupees. So let's write 10 lakhs here minus salvage value, which is a 1 lakhs. So minus 1 lakh V minus Vs, which makes 9 lakh rupees. Now let's find out the sum of the year digit that represent by capital S and that can be given by the equation n plus 1 multiplied by n upon 2. Basically in this we are going to add all the years of service life. So can calculate by this equation we will get 10 plus 1 multiplied by 10 by 2 is equal to 55. Or if we want to calculate by this like this 10 plus 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 2 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, so we'll get same answer 55. So can also calculate like this and we can also calculate using this equation. Now let's calculate for the each year. So for the first year depreciation D1 that can be given by DC multiplied by X upon S DC, which is our depreciable cost, which is 9 lakhs rupees multiplied by remaining year. For the first year 10 years remaining divided by the sum of digit, which is 55. So D1 becomes 1,63,636.36 rupees. So this is a depreciation amount for the first year. Now we have to calculate book value for the first year. Book value that can be given by VA is equal to V minus D1. Original value of equipment, which is 10 lakhs. So let's write here 10 lakhs minus D1, which is 1,63,636.63. So we will get book value at end of the first year D1 is equal to 8,36,363.36. So this is the value of equipment at end of the first year. Now we have to calculate similarly for the second year. For second year we have to find out D2 that can be given by DC multiplied by X upon S DC, which is 9 lakh rupees. So let's write here 9 lakh rupees multiplied by the remaining year for the second year, which means 9 years because service life is 10 years. So for the second year remaining year for the equipment becomes 9 years upon sum of the digit of year, which is 55. So we will get depreciation for second year that can be given by 1,47,272.7276 3 rupees. So this is a depreciable amount for the second year. Now let's find the book value that can be given by V2 is equal to V minus T2. So by calculating this, we will get 6 lakhs 89,031 rupees. So this is the value of equipment after end of the second year. Similarly, we have to calculate for the third year. For third year, depreciation that can be given by D3 is equal to DC upon X upon S. The depreciable amount, which is the same as the 9 lakh, and remaining year for third year, which becomes 7 upon 55. By calculating this term, we will get the depreciation amount for third year that can be given by the 1,30,903 rupees. Now let's calculate book value for the third year that can be given by V3 equal to V2 minus D3 is equal to, we will get book value minus this depreciation amount, we will get 5,58,128. 5,58,128 rupees. So this is the book value at end of the third year for that particular equipment. Now let's calculate for the fourth year. For fourth year, D4 that can be given by DC into X upon S. So calculating this term, we will get depreciation for fourth year that can be given by 1,14,545.45 rupees for fourth year. So this is the depreciation amount for fourth year. Now let's calculate book value for the fourth year that can be given by V4 is equal to V3 minus D4. So what is V3? V3 is the book value for third year, that is 5,58,128 minus D4, which is 1,14,545. So we will get 3,45,402. So by calculating this term, we will get 44,358 3 rupees for the fourth year. So this is the value of that particular equipment at end of the fourth year. Now let's talk about or calculate value for the fifth year. For fifth year, depreciation amount that represented by D5 that can be given by DC X upon S is equal to 9 lakhs multiplied by 6 remaining year upon 55 is equal to 98,181.81 rupees. So it becomes our depreciation for fifth year. Now book value for fifth year that can be given by V4 minus D5 is equal to 34,54,02 rupees. So which makes 3,45,402 rupees. So this is the book value of that particular equipment at end of the fifth year. So it becomes our answer. Science statement also told that we have to calculate same numerical for decline balance method and have to compare the answer with sum of your digit method. So let's calculate same numerical using decline balance method. So let's first write decline balance method here. For decline balance method, first we have to find out the factors that can be given by f is equal to into bracket 1 minus vs upon v whole is to 1 upon n. So 1 minus what is vs? Vs which means salvage value, which is 1 lakh rupees upon original value, which is 10 lakh rupees whole is to 1 minus n which means service life, which is 10 years. So we will get this factor 0.2056. Now we have to calculate the book value at fifth year, which is represented by V5 is equal to V1 minus F upon whole is to 5 is equal to 10 lakhs original value, which is 10 lakh, 1 minus f, which is 0.2056 whole raised to 5. We have to find out value of equipment at fifth year. That's why here put 5. So V5 is equal to, by calculating this term, we will get 3,16,227 rupees. So at end of the fifth year, depreciation of that particular amount, or can say that for particular equipment, which is 3,16,227 rupees. So by decline balance method, we'll get value of equipment at end of the fifth year, which is 3,16,227, and for the sum of your digit method, we get value 3,45,000, 3,45,402 rupees, 402 rupees by using sum of the digit method. So using sum of the year digit method, we get depreciation amount, or can say that book value at end of the fifth year for that particular equipment is 3,45,402 rupees, where in decline balance method get value of equipment at end of the fifth year, which is 3,16,227 rupees. So can say that in sum of year digit method, depreciation value is less than the decline balance method, and in sum of your digit method get the more value of that particular equipment compared to decline balance method. So this is all about today's lecture. I am completing my lecture here. Thank you.